name is Tim Housley. I am a journeyman machinist here at Holloway. I started Holloway about 10 years ago. I do a little bit of everything from repair work to making new parts for our company and other companies. I'm married to my wife, and we've been married for 17 years now. We have 4 kids, 7 grandkids, and 1 grandkid on the way. Be due in January. Big family, and we live on a farm out west of Springfield here. Have a little bit of everything, cows, sheep, goats, the whole gamut of stuff. So it's nice, love being out in the country. I enjoy the peace of it and just being out in the country and not the hustle and bustle of a town. It's nice to be able to sit out and watch the livestock or watch the sunset, and it's just peaceful. My hobbies are fishing and hunting is what I really enjoy. I don't get to do quite as much as I'd like to, but that's what I enjoy getting out, especially fishing. I like getting out on the lake, and especially early mornings or evenings, and like I say, get to see the sunsets and sunrises on the lake. It's a pretty neat experience. The youngest granddaughter, she likes the water, so she sees a boat or something, she'll say, "Papa, fishing." I work with a wide variety of materials, stainless to just steel, bronze, brass, aluminum. I've been in the machinist trade since I got out of high school, so it's just been a natural thing. I knew somebody that worked here, and that's kind of how I got in working at Holloway. I got into it in high school. I took a machine shop class over at, actually it's Graphotech here in Springfield. And it was interesting. I love being able to take a piece of metal and turn it into whatever I need to turn it into. I can take just a blank block of steel, a piece of round stock, and turn it into something useful. To see a part in it and cut away everything that I don't need and leave what I do. It's just always fascinated me, and that's what I've done ever since. Been 35 years ago. I've definitely got a little experience under my belt.